check out our newest feature release, Enhanced Email Unsubscribe Flow. Introducing an upgraded unsubscribe flow for streamlined user experience and added information when you are making decisions about how you send emails. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. Now, with this new feature, you can upgrade from a simple or clunky process to a more friendly and efficient unsubscribe flow. Users can choose from a list of unsubscribe options, or they can even add their own in. This is going to allow you to gain insight into user actions with detailed audit logs, including the reasons for unsubscribing. Now, at the bottom of any of the emails that you've sent out, you'll see that you have an unsubscribe link. When you go ahead and click on this link, this is now what your users are going to see. They're going to see that they have the option for giving a reason for unsubscribing. They can click the unsubscribe link, then they can click any of the reasons, or they can add their own. Now, on your side within the CRM, I want you to go ahead and navigate into contacts and make sure you're in Smart Lists and select a contact that's recently unsubscribed. At the very bottom of the left-hand menu, where contacts and company usually are, you're going to see the View Audit Log. Go ahead and click on that button. Once you open up the audit logs, you're going to go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on View Details. From there, you'll get a new pop-up that is going to have all of the settings that you need to see. Now, the person here in this example has actually not unsubscribed, but we can see that status and we could see what the reason is that they are unsubscribing for right here in this audit log. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.